Hello my dear friends, today we are going to make a creamy, mouth-watering shrimp Alfredo pasta recipe. The sauce is so flavorful and tasty it will remind you of the best gourmet restaurants of fine dining. That's what we're going to do. First, place the noodles into the instant pot. Add 4 cups of water. Add half a tablespoon of salt. Close the lid and turn the valve to the sealing position. Select pressure cook program and set time to 3 minutes. Meanwhile the pasta is cooking, prepare the shrimps. Rinse them well and dry with paper towels. Place the shrimps into the bowl and season them with 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter of teaspoon of black pepper and quarter of teaspoon of paprika. When time is up, open the lid by using the quick release. So, turn the valve to the venting position. Remove the noodles from the inner pot and drain them well. Select Sauté program, adjust mode indicator to more and set time to 5 minutes. Pour olive oil and add the shrimps. Sauté the shrimps and stir them from time to time. Do not overcook them. Remove the shrimps from the instant pot and set them aside. Select Sauté program and set time to 10 minutes. Add butter, onion, and sauté until the onion is golden brown. Add garlic, wine and whipping cream. Scrape the bottom of the pot to get all the onions loose. Bring the sauce to boil and add Parmesan cheese. Simmer it for a couple of minutes. When time is up, add pasta and shrimps. Stir well. The shrimp Alfredo pasta is ready now. It's creamy, tasteful and flavorful. Sprinkle with parsley and add a little bit of extra cheese. Enjoy! Press the like button. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Come back to our kitchen to watch more best recipes for busy families.